Just because you were number one once does not mean you will be again.
I will be number one. Who are you?
I'm Kate. I'm here to win the prize.
They pick one girl and one boy for the contract for the Paris Opera Ballet.
Light, légère.
She's testing you. She's torturing me too. Anyone who partners with Felipe will be the better dancer. He's the key to the prize.
Maybe you could help me.
Do you always follow the rules?
No.
Prove it.
My heart is on fire. I'm gonna count to 3, and we're gonna both stop.
Why should I trust you?
1, 2, 3.
From this day forward until the time, I can't even remember my name.
This is our sacred oath.
You are my thing, I'm my own shadow.
To win the prize together.
You are my
Or not at all. You in or not?
I'm in.
with this ring I
We're not gonna let anything or anyone come between us.
with this ring I
What kind of game are you trying to play?
with this ring I
You made me think we were actually friends.
I would never purposefully hurt you.
It's always been about sex, blood, money. It's all that matters.
Greatness has a price. Do you agree?
with this ring I be wed with all my